Okay, so you want to know how to jailbreak your Fire TV device. Well, this is how you do it. From the home screen, you just go over to your settings, push down to My Fire TV, click on About, and where it says the model of your Fire TV device, just click the center button on the remote 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till it says no need, you're already a developer. Push back, you'll see a new option within this menu called developer options. You've just jailbroken your Fire TV device. Now you may be confused because you may be saying, well, how do I download them applications? Today, what we're actually gonna be doing, guys, is not jailbreaking, but we're gonna be side loading, folks. So people often gonna term jailbreaking mixed with side loading. So basically, all we're gonna do today, as a shown you hear, is we've enabled the developer options, which will allow us to download apps that's not in the Amazon App Store. So now we can get those third-party APKs. So if you're ready to do that, let's get started. Okay, so all we're gonna do now is download one application on our device to make this all happen. How do we do that? From the home screen, we're just gonna go to the Mac to find that's the find area. We're gonna push down to search, select it, and in search we're gonna type or use our voice remote and say downloader. And as you can see, it's not this app here, but if you keep on going to the left there, it's this on sub just there, downloader. So if we click on that, and if we click on download, this is just a web browser for our Fire TV device, which will allow us to download third-party APKs. Now that says open, don't open it as of yet. Just press the home button. It will return you to the home screen. And all we're gonna do from here is we're gonna slide on to our settings, push down to My Fire TV, and go into that developer options menu we enabled and is stored in the video, and scroll down to install unknown apps and make sure downloader is on. Now if you've got a legacy Fire TV device, it might say unknown sources. Just turn it on and you'll be set. Okay, so all we're gonna do now is find the downloader application. So return to the home screen by pushing the home button, and we're gonna go into our apps and we're gonna find that downloader application. We're gonna open it up, and when this box comes up, very important, guys, you need to announce this, otherwise it will not work. So push it now and then click OK. Okay, so welcome to downloader, guys. So in here you can either enter a URL, a search term, or a 5-digit code. So what we're actually gonna do is enter a code today, and this code will give you access to everything that you'll need for your Fire TV device. So we're gonna click into here, and in this box here, we're just gonna type 8264776. Just 9 that, guys. 8264776. Once we typed that in, just press the play button on the remote and it will bring you to my page. So if we accept that, so this is my page here, and as you can see, if we accept the cookies, there is tons of applications here, and all you do to download one, say if I wanted this app lookers just there, it's just gonna click on that, it'll redirect you to this page, and we're gonna scroll down and find the download link on there. So this is the latest version, so we're gonna click on that, click on those, and with our toggle just there, we're gonna scroll down where to actually get it, click on that, then scroll down, the download just there, and it'll download the app on your device. All we do is install it, click on done, and this is very important, guys. Whenever you download APKs from the downloader, always delete the APK file to save space on your device. Don't worry, it won't delete the app, it will just delete the installation file. So if we click on delete, click on delete again, push the home button, and as you can see, if we go into our apps, there's that app locker just there. But what I'm gonna show you now is an application that will give you access to more applications. Think of it as a better alternative to the Amazon App Store. So if we go back into Downloader, and if you're still on whatever page you were on, just quite simply go to home just there, and the code will already be there, but if not, you can just type the code again, 826476. So if we click on go, once again it'll redirect you to my page. Scroll down till you find application stores, and the one we're gonna install today, these 3 APK time Aptoid Aurora Store are all good to get third-party apps on your Fire TV device, but the easiest and safest is Aptoid TV. So if we click on Aptoid TV, and you'll be presented with the Aptoid website, so scroll down till you find the red button here that says download Aptoid TV. Click on that, and you're gonna install it. Click on done, click delete again to confirm, push the home button, go into your apps and find this icon here, and what I'd recommend you do is non-hold the middle button, and you can now put this application wherever you want. So say for instance I put it right in the very front, for example, so now I have easy access to it just there. So if we open up Aptoid TV, click on OK now. So this is Aptoid TV, guys, and as you can see, there's tons of applications here. So you've got top apps, so Chrome, Netflix, Google, TikTok. So as in seeing there's quite a few apps in there that are not available in the box standard Amazon Firestick Amazon App Store. So if we go down till we get to this menu here, and if we go right, and as you can see, there's this entertainment category. Click on entertainment, and to get the best apps on your device, what I'd recommend you do is at the top, you see these 3 lines, so there, click on that, and then go down to downloads, so it'll show the most downloaded applications. So now you guys got the best apps. So as you can see, there's tons in here, guys. And I mean tons, thousands. So if I wanted to download, for example, let's say Snin TV, I just click on that, click on install, and then it'll come up in this. For your security, your TV is not allowed to install apps from this source. Very simple. All we do is click on where it says settings, click on install apps, and turn on Aptoid TV. Push back again. You may need to do it again. So if you just click on it again and install, and then when this menu comes up, click on install, and it'll install just in the background, just there, and successfully installed. And as you can see, guys, there is tons of apps in there and that you can get on your Fire TV device. So have a look through them, play about with them. Some of them are free, some of them will be paid, but you should find the application that suits you, folks. So if we push our home button, go into our apps, and there's the app we got from Aptoid TV. If we're non-holders, we can move it up just there. Now it's on our home screen for easy access. So there we go, guys. Now was how to jailbreak or side load your Fire TV device. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash the like button. If you want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe to this channel, share this video, guys, so now it gets out to more people. That will really be appreciated. And with that all being said, have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.